Today I'm going to teach you how to add WooCommerce product collections using Elementor. This is a fantastic way to showcase your products in organized, visually appealing grids that can really enhance your online store's presentation and help customers find what they're looking for more easily. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WordPress site to ensure you have access to all the necessary features and settings. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options related to plugin management. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll discover and install all the tools needed to extend your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page where you can see all the available plugins that you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here's where things get interesting. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Product Collections. From the search results that appear, look for a plugin called Essential Add-ins for Elementor Popular Elementor Templates and Widgets. This is the plugin that will give you the power to create stunning product collections. Click on More Details to see a complete overview of what this plugin offers, including its features and functions. Take a moment to understand what it brings to your store. Once you're ready and confident this is what you need, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let the process finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click it to enable the plugin on your site. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh automatically. Once it does, you'll notice a new option has been added to your left navigation menu. From here, click on Essential Blocks. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll be prompted to install Elementor as well if you haven't already. Simply click on Install Elementor located on the top part of your screen. This step is crucial because Elementor is the page builder that will work hand in hand with the essential add-ins to create your product collections. Next, click on Blocks from the menu. You'll now be presented with all the available Elementor blocks that you can use across your site. Scroll down through the options until you locate the WooCommerce Blocks section. This is the specific area where all your product display options live. From here, you simply need to enable the elements you wish to add by using the toggle button next to each option. Make sure to enable Woo Product Grid, and just like that, the product grid or collection feature will now be available in your store builder, ready for you to customize and display your products exactly how you envision them. And that's it. You've successfully added WooCommerce product collections using Elementor, giving your store a professional, organized look that will help drive sales and improve customer experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.